Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson of Introduction to JavaScript. And within this lesson, we'll see how we can use ranges in terms of equality. So to mature our script, our temperature, what should we call it? A temperature monitor string. Yeah, it seems fancy. To mature it, we need to add ranges. कि इस टेम्परेचर से इस टेम्परेचर तक हो तो इट्स माइल्ड, और इस टेम्परेचर से इस टेम्परेचर तक हो तो इट्स कोल्ड, और इस टेम्परेचर से इस टेम्परेचर तक हो तो इट्स वेरी कोल्ड, एंड you get the idea. So let's dig into that. So if we have a value, if a is greater than 0, and a is lesser or is equal to, let's say, what, 25 or 30 is fine. Let's say yeah, let's say 25, safe side, because at least that's what it feels like in the subcontinent. So we can say that it's mild, right? Or we can even break it down till, if it's 15, then it's cold. So else if a is greater than 15 and a is lesser is equal to 30, then we can say it's mild. And then if a is greater than 30 and a is lesser and is equal to 40, then we can say that it's hot. Also, we need to add else if here, and anything above that, anything above 40 is very hot. So we need to add very hot here. So within this case, since our temperature is 45, it's very hot. Let's say it is 9, it's cold. Let's say 25, it's mild. Let's say 35, whoa, let's say 35, it's hot. And 50, it's very hot. So that's how you can use ranges, by using greater to or lesser to, or greater to equal to, or lesser to equal to operators. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.